Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pie Siamu. This delightful Tongan jam pie is a buttery, scone-like treat perfect for any occasion. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth baking process. You'll need about 3.5 cups of flour, 100 grams of cold butter, and your favorite jam. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now, let's create the perfect dough for our Pie Siamu. First, sift your dry ingredients together in a bowl. Next, grate in the cold butter and gently rub it into the flour until it looks like fine breadcrumbs. Then, add 1 egg and about 1 cup of milk, mixing just until a soft dough forms. Remember, avoid overmixing to keep it tender. With our dough ready, it's time for the fun part: assembly. Divide your dough into 2 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a rectangle about 1 centimeter thick. Now, spread a generous amount of your favorite jam evenly over the dough, leaving a small border. Then, carefully roll each rectangle into a long scroll, creating those beautiful jam-filled layers. Finally, let's bake our Pie Siamu to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Carefully place your jam scrolls onto a lined baking tray, ensuring they have a little space between them. Brush the tops with a touch of milk for a lovely golden crust. Bake for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Enjoy this delicious Tongan treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.